Hello, how you doing? How you doing, guys? This is Master Calvin FX with Eldorado FX, as usual, bringing to you the best forecast as possible. And this is analyzing with Eldorado FX. As usual, guys, you know that we are sponsored by PU Prime and Bantex FX. And as you know, this is analyzing again with Eldorado FX and Master Calvin FX. As you know, we provide signals if you want signals, and also we provide the best setup as possible in advance on the market. Remember, this is no financial advice. This is only our view in the market. So whatever you want to do with the information we're given is entirely up to you. So now what happening is, remember, we mark up yesterday. It was really interesting that we started with the buy zone, and the buy-in zone 2,739, 2,731, and the entry was given 2,736, and at the moment it's almost 300 pips if you manage to enter this buy. Congratulations if you did. Now we are inside the sell zone. So sell zone between 2,763 and 2,773. So remember to find confirmations within this zone for sells. The entry that I'm giving is 2,766, 2,771 will be the sell. So, but this setup, because we see the bullishness that we have, it might not play. So be careful, check your confirmation. And now we're gonna do a new plan very quickly and see what we can find for tomorrow. For this, we're gonna use the let's use the Oanda. Okay, so this is Oanda. And as you can see, that was one of the other setups that we did. We still believe that is the bullish bias that is still happening. So just take that into account. The bullish bias is I think it will happen as well. So congratulations if you've been buying with us. So for now, let's just delete all of this. And we're gonna go very quickly into the daily time frame and see what we find here. So remember, once again, this is not financial advice. This is only our view on the market. So for now, we see that it's possible that we have gold coming into this zone. So for sales. So as long as gold remain below 2,772, we're still getting this sell zone here. So very easy and very quick to understand. So the all-time high is still respected. So let's have a look. But for now, I believe that the price is gonna shoot up. So our main concentration could be buys. So just be careful on the market, check for confirmations. That's the important part. So for now, the sell zone will be this one. So it's very big, as we described it yesterday as well. It's a very big supply zone, so that we have at the moment, and it's 100 pips one. And then we're gonna try to sell. To be honest, is just more reliable to try to get an entry here. But let's have a look. So this is what I think it could happen. So that's the idea. So let me go to the lower time frame so we can have a better view of the targets as well. Okay. So let's go into the 1 hour, and into the 1 hour, we see that we might get an entry at 71 actually, taking into account the top here. So that's what I would like to see, reaction in this area. So we are at the moment inside the sell zone. So just that for entry purposes, that would be the entry that we choose. Remember the other setup of the sell around there. So two possible targets that we can get if the downside movement come tomorrow. Remember that we go more basically let's say we go more news tomorrow. So yeah, these are the possible targets that we can have if the move is to the downside. Okay, so we're expecting that. We're gonna check on confirmation. So if it's respected the all-time high once again, most likely that we're gonna have a move to the downside. So we're gonna be checking that. We're gonna be checking our trend lines. We're gonna check confirmations. But at the moment, if you are in the buy, do like me and just set break even and wait. That's also another option. So yeah, for now, let's check confirmation here. Profit target would be 2,716. That would be in case that we have switch on the market. But if we go to the weekly again, we are jumping up and going back up. So meaning my target for the buy from yesterday's will be that one, 2,800. That's my target, main target at the moment. So the SL for this setup will be 2,776. All right. So that's the setup there. So sell setup, sell idea, and check confirmations. Check confirmations from 2763 to 2773. So entry idea at 2771, TP 2761, TP 2735, TP 2716. Okay, and then the SL we have 2776. All right, that would be our sell idea. Just check for confirmation, guys. That would be the best to do, to be honest. So another idea that it might plays out as well, it would be this area right here. At the moment, it has been identified as a possible buy area as well from my side. I believe that gold can also give us entry from here, full buys for keep to keep buying. So let's check what Asia do, and then let's figure out from there. But for me, that this would be also a buy zone to check. Okay, we'll have a look. Okay, so check reactions in there, and then if you want to take an entry, I would like to take an entry lease to see the price fail for the liquidity take. But yeah, that would be an entry that I would like to see develop as well to get more into long positions. So at least come right down here to the 45 level, targeting once again 2,800. So this will be the stop level of this 2739. And then once again, and the entry level 2745, and then the target 2,900. Okay, that's another buy idea that can play out as well tomorrow, but let's have a look. Buy idea and check for confirmations. Okay, from 2750 to 2741. And then entry idea at 2745, TP 2760, TP 2780, and TP 2,800. Okay, so SL once again 2739. So this is what I like to see. Reaction, it looks for reaction in these two zones, one for buy, one for sales. Remember, always to secure profit, always to set break even. So you do your best with money management, okay? So going back to Bitcoin now, remember that we always do this. So Bitcoin is still below the trend line. Remember that we talk about the trend line a lot, and we talk about as well the consolidation and also correction. So let's see what happens if Bitcoin respect this level here, 97,000, area 98,000. So most likely they're gonna try to reattempt to go and create a new all-time high, has been expected. It's a lot of consolidation going on Bitcoin, so but we have to wait and be sure about the decision making that we have in Bitcoin. At the moment, I would recommend to scalp Bitcoin because it's not proper, it's not clear the understanding. At least we go to weekly and we see a lot of rejections in wicks here, and we also see rejection from the bottom. So it's a lot of indecision in Bitcoin at the moment. So I would recommend to buy as usual, but remember to double check properly and check for confirmations. All right, guys, thank you very much for paying attention to this. This is Master Kevin Effects. Remember to follow us. Remember to like our videos. Remember to share our videos so we can keep working and do the best for you as well. Have a good day and take care and see you next time. Master Kevin Effects. Take it easy. Bye bye.